Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing meals? Say goodbye to the hassle and embrace the ease of the Black+Decker 7-quart slow cooker. This kitchen essential is your ticket to easy and delicious meals that will leave your taste buds singing with delight. Let's dive into what makes this slow cooker a must-have addition to your kitchen. With the Black+Decker 7-quart slow cooker, culinary excellence has never been more accessible. Whether you're craving roasts, soups, chili, or any other delectable dishes, this slow cooker has got you covered. Just place your ingredients into the 7-quart Stoneware crock, set the desired heat setting, and let the constant heat work its magic. It's that simple. Here are the key features of Black+Decker 7-quart dial control slow cooker. Perfect heat for every recipe and schedule. The Black+Decker slow cooker offers 3 heat settings to suit your cooking needs. Choose the low setting for a slow and flavorful cooking experience that spans 8 to 9 hours. Crunched for time. Opt for the high setting for a speedier cooking process of 3 to 4 hours. Once your meal is cooked to perfection, switch to the warm setting to keep your food at the ideal serving temperature until you're ready to dig in. Convenience and easy cleaning combined. The Black+Decker 7-quart slow cooker is designed for maximum convenience. The dishwasher-safe Stoneware crock and tempered glass lid make cleaning up a breeze, saving you valuable time and effort. No more scrubbing away at stubborn food residue. Just pop the crock and lid in the dishwasher and you're done. Stay cool handles for safe maneuvering. Safety is paramount, especially when dealing with hot food. That's why the Black+Decker slow cooker is equipped with cool touch plastic side and lid handles. You can easily maneuver the slow cooker during cooking, even when the crock is filled to the brim with mouth-watering goodness. Generous 7-quart capacity. Feed the whole family with a whopping 7-quart capacity. This slow cooker is perfect for preparing hearty meals for the entire family. It can accommodate over 8 servings, making it ideal for gatherings, family dinners, or batch cooking to save time on busy days. Recipes included. Unleash your inner chef. Discover a world of culinary possibilities with the Black+Decker slow cooker's included recipes. From comforting stews to mouth-watering pot roasts, these easy meal solutions will inspire you to create new slow cooker favorites. Watch your meal come to life with a tempered glass lid. No need to lift the lid and disturb the cooking process. The tempered glass lid allows you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks, ensuring perfect results every time.